Okay, so I've just unboxed this. This is the DJI Pocket 4 from DigiDirect. So Mark actually saved me one because this thing is impossible to get stock of currently. But here's the thing. Let's swap this aside. That's for another video. We're ringing this. This is the Action 6. So let's try and open this, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. So that's the Action 6. This says accessories. So let's have a look. What is the accessories? Oh, there is lots. Let's do that so we can see what it is. Oh, again, same stickers and all that. What is this? Oh, this is the little sticky mount thing, which we don't need. Oh, that's the little adapter for the camera. The best part about this right now, compared to Action 5, is it goes both ways. And they actually give you two. That's really cool, because these things are like 15 bucks a pop if you want to buy one. And I have bought some. Okay, two little screws. I'm guessing, alright, so that's just a Type-C cable. And this is the extra batteries. Come on. And this is the part, this is why we got the adventure cable. See how tiny this is? This, I don't know if it charges in here, but I don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't charge. Oh, it does. It does charge in here. So you plug one in and you charge 3 batteries at the same time, basically. These are super cool, super durable. I think each of these batteries could go up to like 6 or 7 hours or something like that. But, oh, and this is how they pack the little selfie stick thing. This is very cool. The only downside I don't like it comes with this particular head. So it's great as a selfie stick. I'm pretty sure it extends. It goes up to 1.5 meter extension, which is great. But I don't know if I'm going to bring this. But here we go. Action 6. Oh, sorry. Huge shout out to Mark at DigiDirect for getting me this. This is a lifesaver. I've been rocking the Osmo Action 5. All the previous videos are from the Action 5. And this is it. Oh, she looks the same, but with a way bigger lens. Yeah, like way bigger. Very cool. Hey. Oh, and this is different. This locking mechanism is different. I love how they put a little thing in there to keep it dry. Never seen that before, but I suppose that's how you keep it dry. A little silicone pack. Okay. Oh, this basically fully changed the locking mechanism, which is great. I welcome it. But yeah, so this is the Action 6. I'll see what I can do with this. I'll probably do some packing sort of video, and I'll probably go to this because or the Pocket 4. I'm not really sure. But yeah, these are gonna be my two main cameras. When we're in the Himalayas. So I leave for the Himalayas tomorrow. These will be the two cameras that I bring. Huge thank you to DigiDirect and Mark at the Melbourne store for looking after me, for getting me stock and all of that. There's a little link here. If you click and you can see exactly how much these are, and if you want to buy it, I recommend DigiDirect. No problem whatsoever. These are the guys that will look after you, and I've been buying gear from them for ages, including my Hasselblad. Right, so if you think about this is maybe like 1,500 bucks worth of cameras on the table right now. My Hasselblad is about like $25,000, and I bought it from the same guys, and they look after you. So cheers. I will see you in the packing video, I'm guessing. Bye.